welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss units and measurements lecture 2. ఈ వీడియోను మొదటిసారిగా చూసేవారు దయచేసి లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. మీ యొక్క అమూల్యమైన అభిప్రాయాలను మా కామెంట్ సెక్షన్లో తప్పక తెలియజేయండి. Okay, let us go to the today's topic, units and measurements lecture 2. Units and measurements. Now I am going to discuss fundamental quantity. The physical quantities which are independent and can't be derived from other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantity nothing but physical quantity which are independent, which does not depend on any other physical quantities are called fundamental quantities. Fundamental quantities is also called as base quantities. So the units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units or base units. What is meant by fundamental quantity? Nothing but fundamental quantity is does not depend upon any another physical quantity. So these are independent. The physical quantity which are independent and can't be derived from other physical quantity are called fundamental quantities. So fundamental quantities are independent. They are also called as base quantities. Fundamental quantity also called as base quantities. The units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units or base units. Next, units and measurements. First one, fundamental units in some of the old systems are the following. They are FPS, CGS, MKS. Fundamental physical quantities. Here FPS, foot, pound, second. CGS, C means centimeter, G means gram, S means second. MKS system means here M nothing but meter, K nothing but kilogram, S nothing but second. These are all the three system of units, old systems. They are FPS, CGS, MKS. FPS nothing but foot, pound, second. CGS nothing but centimeter, gram, second. MKS nothing but meter, kilogram, second. So CGS unit centimeter, FPS unit of length foot, MKS unit of length meter. Here FPS system unit of mass pound, CGS unit of mass gram, and MKS unit of mass kilogram. In FPS system unit of time is second. In CGS system unit of time is second. In MKS system also unit of time is second. In all the three system of units the unit of time is same, that is second. Next, units and measurements. In SI system there are 7 fundamental quantities are mentioned in the below table. See the table carefully. Fundamental quantity, its SI units and symbolical representation, that is nothing but symbols. First we will discuss 7 fundamental quantities. First one length, second one mass, third one time, fourth one strength of electric current, fifth one thermodynamic temperature, sixth one amount of substance, and the last one, seventh one is luminous intensity. These are all the 7 fundamental quantities and its SI units. Now we will discuss. SI unit of length is meter, SI unit of mass kilogram, SI unit of time seconds, SI unit of strength of electric current or electric current, that is ampere, SI unit of thermodynamic temperature Kelvin, or we can call it as SI unit of temperature, that is Kelvin. SI unit of amount of substance mole, SI unit of luminous intensity, candela. Now we'll discuss symbols. Symbol for length, mass, m. Symbol for mass, kilogram, m, kg. Symbol for time, S. Strength of electric current, ampere, that is denoted by symbol A. Thermodynamic temperature, K. K nothing but Kelvin. Kelvin we represent by a symbol K. Amount of substance, mole. MOL symbol. Luminous intensity, candela, symbol CD. So for length, M, mass, kg, time, S, strength of electric current, A, thermodynamic temperature, K, amount of substance, mole, luminous intensity, CD. These are all the 7 fundamental quantities and its SI units and its symbols. Okay, these are all the 7 fundamental quantities: length, mass, time, strength of electric current, thermodynamic temperature, amount of substance, luminous intensity. Okay, next. Next, units and measurement, supplementary quantity. In SI system, plane angle and solid angle are considered as supplementary quantities. So here plane angle and solid angle we are calling as supplementary quantities. Those are 7 fundamental quantities. These are 2 we are adding. So these are called supplementary quantities. These are also considered as angular quantities. The units of supplementary quantities are called supplementary units or angular units. So plane angle and solid angle are called supplementary quantities. Here we are calling these are angular quantities. The units of supplementary quantities are called supplementary units or angular units. Symbols and units of supplementary quantities we'll discuss now. In these units and measurements, these are the 2 supplementary quantities. One is plane angle, other one is solid angle. The unit of plane angle is radian. The unit of solid angle is steradian. Plane angle unit radian, solid angle unit steradian. Symbol for plane angle is RAD. Symbol for solid angle is SR, nothing but steradian. Okay, plane angle and solid angle, these are the supplementary quantities and their units and the symbol. So plane angle unit radian, symbol for plane angle RAD, that is the symbol for radian, and unit for solid angle steradian, and symbol for steradian SR. Okay, next this is the diagram. Theta is equals to 1 radian. Here in this picture we are denoting the solid angle. Okay, next. Units and measurements chapter, derived physical quantity. Physical quantity derived from fundamental or supplementary physical quantities are called derived quantities. Derived quantities are depending upon another physical quantities. These are dependent on fundamental or supplementary quantities. These are called derived quantities. So, derived quantity nothing but the physical quantities derived from fundamental or supplementary physical quantities are called derived quantities. First we discussed fundamental quantities. So, from fundamental quantities we are deriving the derived quantities. So, that's why physical quantities derived from fundamental or supplementary physical quantities are called derived physical quantities. The units of derived quantities are called derived units. These units are called derived units. Next. In this units and measurements, some of the derived quantities and their units are mentioned below. See this table carefully. Derived physical quantity and its derived units. First, area, volume, velocity, force, energy. Area, nothing but we can take length into breadth. Length is from our fundamental quantity. So, unit for area is meter square, that is m square. Volume nothing but length into breadth into height. So from fundamental quantities we are deriving the derived quantities. So derived physical quantity volume, its units are m cube, that is meter cube or cubic meter. Velocity meter per second or meter second to the power of minus 1. Velocity we can written as displacement by time. Displacement nothing but shortest distance between initial point and final point. That is also length we are calculating. So meter per second or meter second to the power of minus 1. Next derived physical quantity force. Its unit is Newton or we can write it as kilogram meter second to the power of minus 2. Next one, energy. The unit for energy is joule or kilogram meter square second to the power of minus 2. Okay, next. In units and measurements, some of the derived quantities named after scientists are mentioned below. Here is the scientist names. On behalf of scientists, we are writing the symbols. Its units. Suppose joule. Suppose scientist name joule. Here we are using the symbol for energy, work, heat. So the unit of energy joule. The unit of work also joule. The unit of heat is also joule. The symbol representation J. SI or base unit equivalents kilogram meter square second to the power of minus 2. Come to this Newton. This is also one of the scientist name Newton. Its symbol is N. We are using Newton symbol for the quantities force and weight. So SI unit of force is Newton. SI unit of weight is also Newton. Next its unit kilogram meter to the power of minus 1 second to the power of minus 2. Come to the another scientist name Pascal. We are using the symbol PA for pressure and stress. The unit of pressure is Pascal. The unit of stress is also Pascal. Its symbol is PA. Its unit is kilogram meter to the power of minus 1 second to the power of minus 2. Next, watt. This is also one of the famous scientist name watt. Symbol W. We are using the symbol for power and radiant flux. The unit of power is watt. Its symbol is W. The unit of radiant flux is also watt and its unit is W. Next, we are writing the symbols for joule J, Newton N, Pascal PA and watt W. Okay, unit of W or watt is SI base unit equivalents are kilogram meter square second to the power of minus 2. These are the derived units named after the scientist or here in this mentioned in this table. Joule, Newton, Pascal, watt. Joule symbol J, Newton symbol N, Pascal PA, watt W. SI unit of energy, work, heat also joule. SI unit of force is also Newton and weight is also Newton. And SI unit of pressure is Pascal. And SI unit of stress is also Pascal. SI unit of power is watt. And the radiant flux is also watt. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.